CO2 is the issue, not the pipeline. CO2 is not methane. Methane is odorized. Methane is half the weight of air. When it ruptures, it goes up, and yes, it can ignite. We've built our first pipeline, long-haul pipeline, 130 years ago in this country. We know how natural gas pipelines act when they're hit by a backhoe or third-party hit or they rupture. It's pretty localized. As you've heard from our mayors, this is not going to be a localized event. Depending on the wind, the air temperature, the humidity, CO2 is 1.5 times heavier than air. It will drift across the ground like fog. It'll come out around the rupture, and depending on the hole size, if it's the severity of it, if it's a guillotine rupture, meaning the pipe totally separates, there'll be a huge eruption and a huge white cloud. That's CO2 going from supercritical to solid to sublimation as it warms into a gas. And when it becomes that gas, you will never see it. You will never smell it. You will never see it. You will be out, and it's going to move like fog in low-lying areas. And where's the lowest-lying areas in Bismarck? The Missouri River. And that's the direction it's going to head. So if you're out doing anything outside, and this comes over you at a high concentration, and when I say high concentration, I'm talking about anything 5 to 8%. That's 50,000, 80,000 parts per million. 8% and higher, you're done. You don't have any time to react. And if Bismarck thinks that they're immune from this and it's a Burley County problem, well, I've got a bridge over troubled water to sell you and a stairway to heaven, Led Zeppelin, because this is a Bismarck-Mandan problem, and it's high time that our mayor of Bismarck, our mayor of Mandan, and Morton County Commission get on board and start doing what our Burley County Commission and these gentlemen here, ladies and gentlemen, have done.